Okay guys, we're just doing a bee removal. You can actually hear the bees at this water feature. If I just go closer and in and around, you will actually see how the bees are clinging there at the back. There is a lot of bees that are going in, and see how it goes inside. But yeah, there's a vat. Dis like al die koeke daar binne. Ja, dis daar binne. So, sure. Baie baie dit is dit. En lyk soos 3 koeke wat hier is, maar is groot koeke. Geen wonder dat dit al gebly vir 14 of daar nie. Okay, so this is just a scenario that we currently have. You can actually see how they are starting to recognize and they're walking in, but it's a slow process. They're still realizing that their brood and their honey is still inside, but there's still a lot of bees going. So we'll just keep an eye on them, but you can see they are literally communicating and starting to move in.